All right, YouTube. Got a different one for you today. Headlights. Well, maybe you have the answer to this, and I've got a kit in the garage, but I wanted to try something I saw. It intrigued me. It wasn't that expensive, and I thought, well, for the video and content and all that other stuff, let's give it a try. So I'm sure, like a lot of people, you may have these frosted over headlights. Yeah. So I've tried a few things. I'll tell you right now, the orange or lemon and baking soda thing, yeah, no, that's snake oil. That doesn't really work. If it works for you, comment, please. But I tried it. I can't get it to work. Saw this. So this is Mother's Mag and Aluminum Polish. We're going to give that a try. Saw a video. A lot of videos out there. Um, I don't know. Maybe it'll work, maybe it won't. It's worth a shot. So we're going to start by applying it with a microfiber towel, all that good stuff. I don't have a tripod. I'm not an influencer yet. You guys have helped out a lot though, but we're still not there. Got a drill, and I got these polishing things. I don't know, from Amazon. They weren't that expensive. Went ahead and picked them up. So we're going to give this a go. All right, I'm going to kind of let me readjust my grip here. Some of this one-handed here. We've got this Mother's stuff, and I got a whole thing of it, and I don't have any aluminum wheels. Well, I do, but nothing that needs polishing. So I don't really care that much. I'm just going to smear on tons of this stuff. And as you can see, I actually left a portion here completely untouched because I want to see the results. This is completely unfiltered. There's no AI. This is just me and the camera. Just kind of rubbing it in there, getting it good and, yeah, lathered up, I guess. You'll notice too that I went ahead and taped off any of the paint around it. Not that it matters, because you see my rear quarter panel there? Yeah. This thing's rusty to begin with, but we're going to go ahead and, I don't know, headlights are one of those things. They just kind of bug me. Rusted out rear quarter panels, meh. Solve that another day. But this right here, 100%. Now, I also understand that this may, depending on the cloudiness, take just a smidge more work, let's say, than, one coat. So, the big thing is I want to see improvement. I want to see this thing actually do what I've seen it do on the internet, which has been impressive. So, anyway, let me keep rubbing this in here and I'll be back. So, quick update. Yeah, this is doing something. I'll say that. Now, am I sold on it yet? Not. I'm getting there. All right, but this down here, I'm guessing another coat. Let's see if I can peel this off real quick so you can see. Yeah, it's doing something. Okay, let's keep going, and we'll see another coat of this. I got little pieces of this freaking thing going everywhere. I don't know anything about car detailing, by the way, so if you've got car detailing stuff, then you're probably better off than I am. I'm like more mechanically driven with this channel especially. So anyway, we're gonna give this another coat of the Mothers, and yeah, just keep doing this so we start seeing more progress. Well, there it is, folks. This Mother's polish here, turn it around so y'all can see what I bought here. Mag and aluminum polish. Yes, protects for all metals, shines and protects. Also headlights. You can see a clear difference in this. Now, is it perfect? The answer is no. Okay. There's still a smidge, but man, what an improvement. This is, yeah, so that's real. If you see some videos online, you're like, I don't know, is that real or not? Yeah, if it involves this, it's legit. So, anyway, I'm gonna finish up this section right here. That's like 3 coats of this. Okay, so it was me buffing, apply again, buffing. I think that's sort of the trick to this, is do it until you get the desired results. Okay, maybe if we kept doing it, we might be even able to get it even clearer. If we look at the other side of the truck, yeah, this one, it's not terrible down here. This one's up here. I don't know what that's about. But yeah, we're gonna hit these things up, and we're gonna have the old Silverado looking pretty good at night, at least driving down the road. That'll be a huge improvement. Even got the little Mazda back there. It's starting to oxidize. I think somebody replaced those originally, but anyway, yeah. So we're gonna keep on keeping on. All right, so like I said, we're gonna keep this going and continue to clean these up. Look at the difference, man. Just from the camera here. It's a little sunny out here, so it's kind of hard for me to see, but hey, if this video helped you out, I'd appreciate a like and subscribe. If you got a Silverado like this, I have some other videos that are very helpful, I think. I've gotten some great comments on them. And we still have the Biscayne back here. There's a brake video coming. Trust me, okay? But like it goes with old stuff, you do one thing and then, you know. So anyway, if you're a 68 Impala Biscayne Caprice person, please subscribe as well, because we've got more videos coming on that. But for right now, we're going to go ahead and finish this job up. Like I said, like and subscribe, please. I appreciate it. There's a merch store. You're more than welcome to check that out. If you don't like what I got, no big deal. But I appreciate the clicks. Anyway, until next time.